Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good website on Godaddy. We will start by selecting a memorable domain name that truly represents your brand. Then, it is crucial to pick a professional template that aligns perfectly with your vision. Finally, personalize your site with compelling images and engaging text to capture your audience's attention right from the start. These initial steps lay a strong foundation for your online presence. Next, focus on creating an engaging experience for every visitor. Ensure your website is fully optimized for mobile devices, as over half of all web traffic comes from phones. Implement clear calls to action to guide users smoothly through your content. Also, strategically incorporate search engine optimization keywords to boost your site's visibility and attract more organic traffic. A well-designed and optimized site keeps visitors coming back. Now, let's explore some essential features to enhance your website's functionality. Seamlessly integrate your social media links to broaden your reach and connect with your audience across platforms. If you are selling products or services, setting up an online store is straightforward and vital. Additionally, leverage Godaddy's built-in marketing tools to promote your site effectively and attract a wider audience, driving more engagement and potential sales. Finally, it is time to launch and maintain your fantastic website. Always preview your site thoroughly to catch any last-minute adjustments before publishing it live for the world to see. Remember to regularly update your content to keep it fresh, engaging, and relevant for your visitors. Continuously monitor your website's performance using analytics to identify areas for improvement and ensure your site remains successful over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.